And the Presidential Debates Steering Committee has developed guidelines for the upcoming presidential debates that precede the general election on August 8th. Everything from the format to dates and criteria of candidates and moderators has been put together. So let's take a look at how they have set it up. In terms of the format of the debates, they will run for 90 minutes uninterrupted. It will be split into 6 segments of 15 minutes covering major thematic areas. Each candidate will have 90 seconds opening statement, 90 seconds for a closing statement, and 2 minutes to respond to questions, as well as a right to rebuttal. Debates will be bilingual, allowing the candidates to communicate in either English or Kiswahili. There will also be a live audience to witness the debate, and the debates will be held at the Catholic University of Eastern Africa. The debate dates, the first debate will be with the presidential candidates on July 10th with a single moderator. The second debate with the running mates on July 17th as well. That will be held by a single moderator. The third debate will be with the presidential candidates once again on July 24th. It will be a bit different, conducted in a town hall format where a single moderator will guide the candidates through a debate that will also include direct questions from citizens in the audience. Let's take a look at the selection criteria for candidates. They must be constitutionally eligible to run for president, hold a formal clearance from the IEBC. They must have attained at least 5% of popular support countrywide in at least 2 national opinion polls conducted by reputable research firms. Now, for candidates with less than 5% popular support showing in opinion polls, they will take part in separate single poll debates to be conducted on the same dates. Now, debate moderators will also have to meet some very stringent criteria, including impartiality, fairness, and objectivity, strong understanding of the Kenyan political landscape, as well as understand the major issues of the presidential campaign, have extensive experience in live television broadcast, as well as proven ability to moderate debates.